Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Nakul and I'm the International Recruitment Manager South Asia for LaSalle College. So LaSalle College, we are a part of LCI Education, which is LaSalle College International, and then we have 23 higher education network campuses across 5 different continents, with the one in Montreal, Vancouver, Melbourne, and Spain. And then if we talk about LaSalle College Montreal is a semi-public institution with more than 6,000 students on campus, and we are one of the largest bilingual colleges in North America to offer 60 plus programs from different subjects like business, computing, art and design, early childhood, hospitality, social sciences. So we have a culinary, we have early childhood, and then we are one of the largest in terms of art and design, wherein we offer fashion design, fashion marketing, interior design, graphic design at Montreal campus. When it comes to LaSalle Vancouver, we've been offering such unique programs at our Vancouver campus, starting from our diplomas to the bachelor's. So we have animation, hospitality, again designing in fashion, interior, graphic. That's where we have both bachelor's and a diploma. Plus, we have an amazing programs to offer, like an associate of arts, which is a 2 years of program. And we are also offering a bursary of up to $18,000 for this program. If you are eligible, you get it to for 15,000 for 2 years of a tuition fee. And LaSalle Vancouver is one of the best video game design school in Canada with high employability rate in British Columbia. So with Canam, we have a long year partnership with Canam Education, and have got some good students studying at our different campuses, and some of them really got a job offers within Canada. So I'm very excited to inform you that we are participating at the Canam Webdirect Fair, which is actually starting from the 15th to the 23rd of April via Zoom platform. That's been organized by Canam. So you can book appointments with the room number 58. That's where LaSalle College will be in. And I will be happy to see you and answer your queries related to choose one of the different programs we have at our both campuses. See you then. Be safe. Goodbye.